Okay, this is my attempt to fix this bent stag here on our carp shooting, bow fishing, attack boat 50/50 we call it. Actually, we're going to try to repair the skag here, not stag. Maybe I was thinking of a red stag hunt in New Zealand I want to do someday, but we're going to fix the skag here. Back to it. I got a body shop little wedge here, I'm not really sure what it's called, and hammer. Watch a couple videos, and I'm gonna make an attempt to tap this bad boy in and stabilize it on this side, so we shall see. Way better. So a little bit more to go, but it's working. Man, it's close. It's got a little more to go. How much do I push my luck? I don't know. I'll push it a little more, we'll see. It's close. Alright, we're gonna go with that. Worked. Didn't crack. I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead and take it from there. We did it.